When we start out, we have to figure out, how do we make a great first impression? You know, your first time of meeting somebody is where they judge who we are right off the bat. And if you don't do a good job at the beginning, they're not going to deal with you. If they have a bad impression at the start of this, they're not going to come back to you. So some of the things that I've put together and I say to people is, you know, be knowledgeable. Know what you're talking about. Also, know when to be quiet and listen. Be a good listener. People want to tell you what their problem is, and if you don't stop to listen to it, you may just miss the whole point. One of the things that I had to learn in the beginning was listen to the whole statement from whoever I'm talking to. I used to get all nervous about making sure I had an answer for people, and I wanted to put it out there and show that I had an answer, and I'd miss the point. Somebody might start talking about their dog, but they really want to know about the house down the street or something, and I'd be answering them about something that had nothing to do with what we were working on. Okay? So show you care, be prepared, and focus on them. It's not about telling them about us. We can sell ourselves later down the way, but people don't care until they know how much you care. Let's work on that.